So what's my favorite affiliate program that's helping complete beginners start earning income from home? This is the exact same program that's helped me make over $13,000, but more importantly, thousands of my students are also promoting this exact same program. And I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste this exact same system that's not only helping thousands of my students, but that can help you as well as a complete beginner starting affiliate marketing. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. I used to work a 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. I absolutely hated that job. I wanted to get out, so I was able to quit my job within 9 months of starting this online business. So the purpose of this YouTube channel is to show you how you can achieve the exact same thing by leaving your 9-to-5 job. And I'm going to show you exactly how on this channel. So please subscribe if you are brand new, if you haven't yet, and let's get into the video. All right, so I'm going to show you step by step how a complete beginner can start making money in affiliate marketing, specifically with this program right here called Getresponse. Okay, now you can see here we've done over $13,000. Now, not only do we just promote this program, we have over 30 offers that we currently promote. As you can see here, $2,500 here, $82,000 with this program, and we have tons and tons of different offers here. But this specific video, I want to talk about Getresponse because this is one of my favorite affiliate programs for a complete beginner. I'm going to explain why. So now let me explain what exactly is Getresponse, right? Why are you promoting this program? Why is this good for a complete beginner, right? So I'm going to explain exactly what it does. Okay, so it's essentially just a autoresponder, but it's more than that now. It used to be just a software where you can collect emails, send emails to your email list, but it's actually gotten a lot more advanced and that you could do a lot more with this software. Now, if I go to Getresponse here, you can see not only do they have email marketing, they also have a website builder. You can automate your business and you can create funnels. So it's really cool to see because Getresponse has really improved their software, because now not only are they just email marketing, they have a ton of other features that they have. Now, I want to talk about the pricing real quick because they have multiple pricing structures depending on where you're at in your business. Now, as you can see, they actually have a completely free pricing plan, which is cool because someone can get started in their online business, and then as they grow, they can obviously upgrade to these higher tier plans. As you can see, you can do a lot more with, the basic, the plus, and then of course the professional. And as your business grows, you essentially get more contacts, you grow your email list, and that's how Getresponse makes money, even though they have a free plan. Okay, now Getresponse works for anyone starting a business or that has a business, because you can send emails, you can create websites, you can automate your business with marketing automation, you can create funnels. So this works not only for local businesses, pretty much anyone that wants to start an online business or that has a local business. Now, how do you start making money as an affiliate for Getresponse? Well, if you go to the Getresponse website, you can actually scroll down all the way to the bottom here, and there's a link that says affiliate programs. Okay, so if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to where you sign up to become an affiliate. All right, so it says get paid when you refer clients to Getresponse. Now, they have two options for you guys, and I highly recommend that you choose this option here. Okay, when you first look at this, you're going to be like, well, I'd rather have the $100 per sale, right? Because it's upfront money. And I understand that, because you can see this and it's like $100 is a lot of money, and it is a lot of money. But what you want to think about is the long-term business, right? So yes, this might be a lot less in the beginning, right? If someone signs up for a $20 program, you're not going to get as much, right? You're not going to get as much as maybe $100 up front. But what you do make is you make the long-term income, right? So as you can see, I make more and more every month because I have more people signing up, and they pay every single month. So me personally, I like the reoccurring passive income, right? Because now you have 100 people paying, or 200, 1,000 people buying this software, and you get 33% every single month. Okay, so you can see every month and every sale. Okay, so once someone pays, that's it. You don't get paid again. So you want to choose wisely. I highly recommend that you choose the reoccurring program, because this is where you can be smarter in the long term, right? If you're in this for the long term, if you're trying to quit your 9-to-5 job, then I highly recommend that you choose reoccurring passive income. And again, just to reiterate the pricing, right? Let's just say you have 100 people sign up for the free plan. Well, yeah, you're not going to make any money, but as their business grows, they start paying more and more, right? So for example, they're paying me by $15 a month. What if they grow their email list to 100,000? Well, now they're paying $400 a month for 41. So you're making 33% of that. So that's where it becomes extremely powerful, because as their business grows, essentially your business grows as well. Okay, so now we know the program, we know how it works, we know the power of other people growing their business, and our business is growing as well. But the next question is, well, how do we actually get people to sign up for Getresponse, right? Do I just grab my affiliate link and send it to my friends and family? Well, no. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to show people how the program works. You want to show them how this program can benefit them and why it can help them get to where they want to be. So you have to understand who you're trying to serve, right? So as an example, I help 9-to-5ers leave their 9-to-5 job via affiliate marketing. So what I do is I teach these 9-to-5ers how to start an affiliate business. And part of that affiliate business is you need Getresponse, right? This is what I'm using in my business. If you want to leave your 9-to-5 job, this is what you need, right? This is the tool to help you build an email list so you can leave your 9-to-5, right? So you just got to understand who you're trying to serve. And more importantly, you want to show them exactly how the software works so they can now use the software, be comfortable using it, and then eventually their business grows and you make more money. Now, as a quick example, I created this educational book, okay? This book teaches people how to leave their 9-to-5. Now, this gives a ton of value inside the book itself, but what I want to show you is if I scroll down here, you're going to see on one of these steps, I recommend that people get an email autoresponder, right? So if I go all the way down here, you can see on step number 6, I say, hey, you need an email list. But more importantly, I explain why they need an email list, why it's important to have so they can quit their 9-to-5 job. But the cool thing here is I give them a link to Getresponse, okay? So now they have a reason to use the software. And that's where it becomes extremely powerful, because now we have this educational book that teaches them, how to get the result that they want. In this case, how to leave their 9-to-5 job. But within the book itself, I have links that go to multiple affiliate programs. In this case, they're going to Getresponse and they're buying the product, they're signing up. Maybe they're signing up for a free program, which is okay, because now as their business grows, so is my business in the long term. Now, I wanted to illustrate this just one more time. So essentially what we're doing, right? We're sending people to Getresponse here, okay? So this is a product that we're promoting, right? So Getresponse is this right here, and we make money, okay, when someone buys. What I'm doing here is I'm building my email list by giving them this book. So I'm giving away this book, but within this book, it's educating people on why they need Getresponse or the other programs that I'm promoting. The most important part is I'm not just giving them this book, I'm exchanging it for their email address, okay? This is where it becomes extremely powerful, because as you can see here, now I have this database of emails I can then send other offers to, other programs, and this is what I like to call the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, if I scroll up here, this is actually the affiliate stacking ecosystem where I can then promote multiple offers. Now, this is something that I talk about in other videos, but essentially, I'm not just promoting Getresponse, I'm promoting other programs, other software, other courses to help them get the result that they want. So essentially, this is a win-win-win, right? We're giving the customer a free gift or an educational type program or a platform that's going to teach them why they need these programs, why they need these things to get the result that they want. So right away, the customer is going to get value right away. It's a win for you as the affiliate, because now you're building goodwill with that client, with that customer. They're going to trust you more, and they're going to eventually buy your products because you're giving them this education that's going to help them get the result that they want. And of course, it's a win for the affiliate company, because you're going to send them quality leads, quality customers that already know how to use the system, already know how to use the software. So now the next question I get is, well, I don't have time to be creating this asset, right? I don't have time to create this book. I don't have time to create this funnel. I'm working a 9-to-5 job, but I want to start this business. I want to start promoting things like Getresponse. How can I do that? Well, the cool thing is I actually give my students this book as their own. I let you promote the book. I let you edit the book links so that way you can put your affiliate links within the book. And I give you the funnel to start promoting it. I literally give you everything you need to start promoting not only this software, but multiple softwares, actually 12 inside the book that you can start promoting. So essentially what I do is I give you this funnel here so you can build your email list. I give you the book so you can give it as your own. And I let you edit the book so you can then swap out the links for your links and start making money with multiple affiliate programs. And then the best part about it is I show you how to create this affiliate stacking ecosystem so you can not only build your business, you can build your email list right here, which allows you to promote multiple products and create multiple passive income streams so you can leave your 9-to-5 job. This is the exact same system that I used for myself when I was trying to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. So if you're interested in using this exact same book, exact same funnel to get you off the ground, to start building your email list, start getting commissions, then I want to invite you to my challenge that's going to help you leave your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom. I'm going to leave a link down below in the YouTube description. That's going to be the first link that's going to allow you to get access to this challenge. And within that challenge, I give you all the resources you need, the book, the funnel, the emails to send out, everything you need to get started with this affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now, guys, I hope you found value in this video, and I hope that you can take action and start promoting products like this. Even if it's not Getresponse, there's so many other programs that you can promote. So if you have any questions at all, please comment down below, and we'll see you guys inside the challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.